YouTube. I keep watching a lot of these videos on YouTube and about these everyday carry EDC. You know, what people take. You know, every day what they wear and stuff like that. And I go through all the comments on them, and it's just something I do whenever I have 5 or so minutes. You know, just read a few of the comments. And well, there's so many of them out there, I thought I might as well add myself to them too. So here we go. So basically, you know, every day you get ready for work, you know, I have my wallet, you know, whatnot. Usually carry one of those in it. Let's see. So, yeah. Got a little chain wallet. One of these little knives here. I mean, you unlock it, it flips into a knife. It's razor sharp. One of these little multi-tool things. Just fits in my wallet too. Just something in case you need them. You know, let's see. Carry a flashlight, you know, whatnot. And keep one of these with me too. This is cool. You pull it apart, it turns into a bunch of things. Fire starter, compass, magnifying glass, bottle opener, all kinds of stuff. Knife sharpener on the bottom, toothpick, tweezers, just those little things. You know, in case your main flashlight goes out, you gotta have a backup for it. You know, so I got another one of these. Never know. Always got to have a knife. You know, I got a locking sock. You know, like that knife. Whenever that one doesn't work, as a backup, I always carry my, you know, never know when you're going to need a hook knife. But let's see here. Got my car keys. Yeah. Grab those. Yeah, I got truck keys pretty much. This little thing holds all the keys in there. Then keep it simple. I guess what everybody's here for, main carry. Smith & Wesson 9mm. Let's see if y'all can see that. Carry that as main carry. Back it up here. Yeah. I'm new at recording videos, so sorry if they suck. That's the main carry. Yeah, that one. Extra mag, 215 rounds, one end. Also carry rear carry. High point 9mm. Very reliable gun. Anybody that uses Glock should always get one of these. Definitely can't hurt. Always carry 2 extra mags with it. So, pretty much. Yep. And well, let's say that you know you got some long range coming. Your handguns don't work out for you. You know, always have my 30-06 with me, just in case. You know, their running is too far. You know, I don't go to the gun range every single day, so 30, 40, 50 yards out, it's pretty much gonna be plinking still. Pretty much my everyday carry. When I get hungry, you know, I always have a banana with me. You know, got to keep that potassium up whenever you're out there just going to the grocery store. And banana sometimes can make your mouth dry, so you know, I keep a little bit of thirst quencher with me. You know, yeah, stuff's like water, man. It's good for you. Keep your hydration up. And I don't know, that's pretty much it. Is